Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just so it's going to show for you like this. You go down, you click here on settings here. You just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on everything, just click on it. You come to next step here, come here to stop loss notices, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.